Draft angles of 1 to 3 degrees are standard for injection molding. Therefore, I have added 1 degree draft angles to all vertical faces. Part lines run through the top of each part and injector pin placement has been considered on the interior of the parts. In terms of tooling, the design comprises of a 2-part mold with several minor side actions. Teeth manufacturing involves a stamping process where the sheet metal is cut and punched, then deformed through bending and stretching mechanisms to create the desired shape. This process is relatively cheap compared to other metal forming processes. Costing of the clip has been made through rough estimates and comparisons with online and current clip figures. I've found the cost of ABS per kg and gathered the volume composition of each piece. This then enabled me to price each piece per kg and generate a rough figure. All the other components, which include the spring, pin and teeth, follow a similar form composition as the current clip, which has enabled me to use the same pricing figures. Other considerations to take into account include the cost of tool manufacturing, which due to the complexity of the shape and side actions would drive up the tooling prices. Assembly time of the clip is theoretically less than that of the current clip due to its ease of assembly, therefore costing between 10 to 30 cents. This drives up the average total price to 62 cents. This concept uses a living hinge instead of 2 separate components. It uses the same cantilever locking system to permanently lock the part in place, therefore the living hinge is only bent once. In terms of the assembly, the lead is placed into the clip whilst the hinge is open. Once the lead has been inserted, the hinge is folded up and locked into place. Manufacturing wise, the living hinge would need to be molded at 45 degrees and constructed using proper injection molding rules. The part line would run across the center circle, which is the same as the studio concept. However, this would cause complications in the tooling due to the angles created by becoming a 3-piece mold with several other side actions to eliminate undercuts, increasing the cost of tooling. Since this concept revolves around a living hinge, it would require a change from ABS to a more flexible plastic. I have chosen to progress with nylon because I have tested its feasibility and due to its strength. Other possibilities also include polypropylene and polyethylene.